How do we solve for x given 7 to the power x plus x equals 51? Solution. Now, first of all, let's observe this by inspection. Let's see the solution. Now, if I plug in 2 here, this side will be 49. So 49 plus 2 is 51. So it means 7 squared plus 2 will give us the solution, which simply means that x equals 2. Now, we know x equals 2, but how do we solve for that 2? All right, that is worry here. So we have this equals 51. Now let's send the x to the right hand side. Okay, that will be 7 to the power x equals 51 minus x. Now I want to send everything to the right. So I'll divide both sides by this and do same here. On this side is good. So we have 1 here. We have 51 minus x on 7 to the power x. How do you write the right hand side in linear form? So that would be 1 equals to 51 minus x times 7 to the power minus x. Okay, so we have 51 minus x times 7 to the power minus x equals to 1. So this one is the same as that. Okay, now let's be very careful here. Before we can solve for x, we have to apply Lambert-W function. And there are some properties we need to understand here. Now, when we have e raising ln of anything is that thing. Okay, this one is very powerful here. Now with the w function, when we have alpha times e raised to alpha, the answer will be alpha. So what is here must be equal to what is there. Now we are working towards something, okay, similar to this. So we have 51 minus x. So let's build something here. That will be 51 minus x. So what I will do is to multiply both sides by 7 to the power 51 because I'll perform indices here. So 51 minus x times 7 to the power minus x times 7 to the power 51 equals to 7 to the power 51. All right. Now, from here, we can perform indices here. That will be 51 minus x times 7 to the power. When I add, it will be 51 minus x, which is 7 to the power 51. Okay. Now, from here, we have to introduce the e. Okay. Remember, e raised to ln of t is t. So let's bring in the e, which will preview for the Lambert-W function. So times c, and so let's bring everything here. 7 raised to 51 minus x. It's about 7 to the power 51. Okay, so this one is a power rule. So when we have e raised to the power x, the same as e raised x ln of t. So you can say 51 minus x e raised to 51 minus x ln of 7 equals to 7 to the power 51. Now, we are working towards what is here and what is there being equal. So there is something missing here. 51 minus x, 51 minus x. but ln of 7 is missing. So let's multiply both sides by ln of 7. So ln of 7, okay, and 51 minus x. Okay, so 51 minus x times that ln of 7. Then we have e raised to 51 minus x ln of 7. We are free to go equals to um 7 to the power 51 times ln of 7. So from here, we can take W function. All right. But we can adjust this one in such a way that we get something like this. Now let's go ahead as we take W function. Okay. All right. So from here, the left hand side will be 51 minus x ln of 7 equals to W function. Now let's adjust this one. We can write this one as 7 to the power 49 times 7 to the power 2. Now 2 plus 49 is 51. So I've done nothing. ln of 7. So 51 minus x ln of 7. So from here, I can write this one as 47 squared 49 ln of 7. And I can support this one. So when I raise this one, you raise ln of 7 to the power 49. I've done nothing. Remember the rule. So this one is a power rule. That will be 49 ln of 7. So 51 minus x 49 ln of 7 times e. So this one will go behind 49 ln of 7. Perfect. Now let's check this was that. So 51 minus x ln of 7. So W function of this will be 49 ln of 7. So from here, this one will cancel this. I'll be left with 51 minus x equals to 49. So 51 minus 49 is the same as x. So 51 minus 49 is 2 equals x. Perfect. All right. Now subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.